Today is the 13th of October 2010. Welcome to the silverlog.blogspot.com. And silver is now trading at about 23 and 2/3. It's now 7 days, day 7, since we broke this uptrend line last Tuesday. And everything continues to remain bullish within this market. This level was resistance on several different occasions. It managed to find support after a serious retracement. Well, serious for the shorter term time frames, that is. And it came right back to its resistance level, consolidated through time, as I was mentioning, I think yesterday. It might have been the day before. I think it was the day before, actually. And then breaks this level towards the upside. So if you're trying to call a top, it's a guessing game, nothing more than trying to guess and say, well, it looks up too much. Well, yes, it does look up too much. But as long as there's buyers still willing to be buying within this market, there's nothing stopping it from going higher. And right now, there's a lot of people wanting to get into the gold and silver markets. So until there's any signs of this thing rolling over, the path of least resistance is higher. The bias should be towards the upside. And especially when you break this resistance, find support, and continue off higher. 24 is the next significant level that I was talking about. I said before that if it could even manage to get up towards this area here, 23 and change, that 24 should have been the next key target that had a huge chance of going to. Why? Because the last Fibonacci level was right in here, and it bursted through it quite quickly. Same thing with 24. If it bursts through that, then we're most likely heading up towards the 27 to 28 area. And I have a poll on my blog, and that is, where do you think silver is going to head to during this next peak in 2010, or next move? Is it going to be up to 27, down to 20, or pretty much neither, meaning it stays within a $20 to $27 range? Put your vote in on the blog. And also, Da Vinci made an interesting little video today regarding silver manipulation. He posted a few articles. I will put those articles on the blog for your reading pleasure. That we're finding this stuff out. It's so obvious that there's manipulation within the silver market. The prices show us this on the technicals. When you look at what happened in the 1980s and the 1990s, and then you see what's going on with the real supply and demand, the printing of excess fiat money. If you base it on where we are today, where we are based on the printing of money, not even considering anything on the supply and demand issues, then silver should be around that $100 per ounce mark. It's not, and well, that's because of the manipulation. After all, if buyers are willing to want to buy within this market, it will keep going up too much. So you can say that this run higher is up too much. But when you look at the last 30 years, boy, does it ever look like it is down too much.